What's up, dears? Lexra here, back with another Stray Kids reaction. Today I'm checking out Sorigun, or Thunderous. The Stray Kids won the poll that I set up, I think like last week. Yeah, Stays won, so good for you. Yeah, this is the only thing I'm doing for this week, so yeah, good for you. We're gonna start off next month very strong, so. But yeah, Thunderous. I'm excited. Oh, art. I like art. Oh, that was really cool. Okay, Changmin. Oh. Yes, okay. Oh, there's a little thunder. Or lightning, technically. Yeah. I love the like, what am I trying to say? I'm dirty? Like the historical, traditional, yeah. Traditional is what I'm going for. Bang, 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 boom. Man, I'm not sorry, I'm dirty. What? Sorry. It's always Felix. It's always Felix. I just realized these are not my subs. My subs are normally green. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. What'd you do? That was cool. I love this. Everything that's going on in the background and stuff. I love it. Okay. Okay. Oh, that was so cool. That was Stray Kids with Thunderous or Sorigun. Yeah, Stray Kids always like, I don't know, they always go above my expectations or something. They're always doing something that's just like, wow, that's just amazing. Yeah, I really loved everything about that. I loved the video though. All like the traditional aspects and like, people just like going about their day or like just doing stuff in like the background. And yeah, like my eyes were drawn to them, my eyes were drawn to the boys, and it was great. Yeah, the song was really fun. I like the kind of like the dialogue part. I don't know names really. I know like 2 or 3 names I think, but I don't know who it was. They had like this like dialogue kind of part. It was pretty cool. Like they were just like talking, but in like they had like I guess a accent going on. I don't know if it was actually an accent, but yeah, that was cool. And yeah, overall this whole video was really fun. I can't speak. I had a great time. Yeah. So that's gonna be it for me, dears. Check out the stuff that's up there. That's always in the link in the description. description. I've got a website, which is like a central kind of hub for a bunch of the stuff I do. My art's over there, shops are over there. You can access my games, my Patreon. Speaking of Patreon, check out my newly revised $1 tier. I've made it the Sweet Music tier. You can make music video requests on that tier, and it's one per person per month, but I will do your request within 48 hours, and then it'll go up on Patreon first, and then it'll go up on YouTube on like a Friday or a Saturday. So yeah. Or check out the other tiers, because that's where all the like shows or anime and stuff like that are. Join my Dead Discord server. Follow me on Twitter. Like, comment, subscribe if you so choose to. And I'll see you dears sometime soon. And if you're celebrating, happy holidays. Bye bye.